Hello again, as usual, it is me, Indah Melindasari from ONEderland Consulting. I have over 10 years of experience as a migration agent and was once a migrant myself, which gives me a unique insight into the migrating process. Please like this video and click subscribe to get all the best Australian immigration content and updates. Before we start, I would like to let you all know that we have a new free visa recommendation tool on our website. If you want to know what work visa, visitor visa, or family visa subclass is best for you, find out your visa options using our free recommendation tool. Also, I would like to give a mention to our sister company, Education One Australia, for all your Australia study needs. You may find links to them and links to our visa recommendation tool in the description. The Subclass 191 visa has commenced as of early November, started from 11 November 2022 last year. This visa will act as a permanent resident pathway for certain temporary regional work visa, specifically the Subclass 494 and 491. Along with this, it was announced that family members applying as dependents onshore can now have their no further stay. The pathway does not require you to have an employer sponsoring you like the 494 or a state and territory nomination like the 491. There are several provisions that have been made along with this visa, such as if your family is onshore and you wish to include them in your application, then if they have previously held a visa that had a no further stay condition attached, then the condition can be waived. Aside from holding a 494 or 491 visa for 3 years, you must have also been earning above the income threshold for 3 years while holding one of these visas. Unlike other PR visa, this visa does not require a sponsor or for you to pass a skill assessment or meet any point requirements. As you start from either of these visa, then it is shown that you previously had the skills and a sponsor. The requirements for the Subclass 191 are that you have held with a 494 or 491 visa for at least 3 years, earned at least the minimum salary threshold while holding the visa, which is around 53,900, been working and a resident in a regional area. Processing times for this visa has not yet been elaborated on the Department of Immigration at this point. As stated on their website, they are assessing applications on an individual basis and based on your circumstances, including whether you have lodged a complete application including all the necessary supporting documents, how quickly you respond to requests for more information, how long it takes to perform required checks on the supporting information provided, how long it takes to receive information from external agencies, particularly for health, character and national security requirements, and how many places are available in the migration program. The new Subclass 191 visa was created to replace the Subclass 187 visa direct entry stream and acts as the permanent resident pathway for the regional Subclass 494 and 491 visa. If you have been on either of these visas working in regional Australia for 3 years, then you may be eligible for PR through the 191 visa pathway. So exactly how does this pathway actually flow? Well, if you are coming from the 494, then you have had an employer sponsoring you to work and live in a regional area. Obviously, if you have a sponsor, then this is the way to go as it cuts many requirements of the 491 visa, which is under the general skilled migration program, such as skill assessment, meeting points minimums, or going through the registration of interest or expression of interest processes. For the 491 visa, as we just mentioned, it is part of the general skilled migration program, meaning that you do not need an employer sponsor, which can be a stumbling block, especially when you are applying offshore. The main eligibility requirements are be nominated to apply by a state or territory government agency, or an eligible relative must sponsor you, have an occupation on a relevant skilled occupation list, have a suitable skill assessment for the occupation, be invited to apply, and satisfy the points test. You can find our contact details in the description and in the comments. So feel free to send an email or call with an inquiry, and our advisors will be there for all your visa needs. ONEderland Consulting is here to help you.